In this video, I'm going to talk about the best data sources and the best spot to look for the best penny stock news and charts and price action. Stay tuned. What's up, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader here, teaching you because I freaking love this, because there's so many fakes and newbies and frauds teaching. It's my honor, it's my duty, it's my responsibility to teach you what I know, what I've learned over 20 plus years. If you like my teachings, leave a comment below. I'm just curious, like, do you guys appreciate these little videos that we do? Say I love these videos, or say I hate these videos below. I'm curious to see, how many fans I have versus haters. And it's okay if you're a hater. I don't mind it, okay? My first millionaire student was also my first hater. So there's still hope for everybody. And I'm not perfect. I don't know everything, but I do know a lot that I've learned the hard way on my own over 20 plus years. And I want to try to, speed up your learning curve. So also ask me questions in the comments. I'm answering all the questions. Today's question is, where do you find news? Where do you find penny stock charts? Where do you find the best penny stocks? There's a lot of websites. Trust me, I know. I used to actually, when I first started trading, like this was back in 99 and 2000, funny little story down memory lane. It was like, I went to like the high school computer lab and I was skipping classes. Don't skip classes unless, don't even go to school. School's useless these days. But back then, I was already into college early admission. I went down to the high school computer lab. There's like 20 computers lined up, like the old Apple II GS or whatever they're called. And the internet was slow, it was like dial-up. And to load a web page took a while. So I would turn on all of the 20 computers and I would load one web page per computer. And that way, it was like having multiple browsers. They didn't even have browsers back then. This was like AOL. And CompuServe back then. It was like very early days. Now, there's still a lot of tabs that I have open if I truly want to research everything. But the cool thing is there's one tool that puts everything into one spot. And you're so fortunate to get started now when you have this one tool and you don't have dial-up internet and you don't need 20 computers. I use one laptop, one tool. I'm gonna give you a special offer, an exclusive offer to this tool. Click the link just below this video. Check it out, because this tool basically adds up all of the charts, the news, the SEC filings, even social media, and it puts it all in one place. And this is why this tool is something that you should use every day. I'm not even going to tell you what it's called. You're going to have to click and you're going to have to see it. But trust me, you're going to love it, okay? This is the one spot. You do have to be careful. My team and I built it over several years and over several $1 million because there's a lot of bad news, there's a lot of fake news, there's a lot of bad data out there with penny stocks. This is one of the biggest dangers, is that people are reading press releases thinking that it's like good news when in fact the company or some insider or some promoter put out that news. This tool that I'm giving you, again, the link underneath this video, weeds out those fake press releases. It weeds out bad data. And frankly, you have to worry about bad data. A lot of bad brokers out there have incorrect data for penny stocks because they're not, no one really cares about penny stocks except me and my team. You have bad bids and asks, like it's not the right information. So when you think you're buying a stock, you might get it at a totally different price if you're using like a bad broker. We weed out those bad brokers. There's a lot to weed out. Like penny stocks, it's kind of a game of, good information versus bad information. And the vast majority of penny stocks, frankly, the vast majority of traders worldwide, where 90% of traders lose, follow bad information, fake information, bad data, flawed strategies. I can't tell you how many newbie short sellers there are these days where they post one screenshot of like their year end or their month end profits and they say, look how easy this game is. Meanwhile, they don't say that they're using 6 or 7 figures on a trade, paying 6 or 7 figures in fees and commissions, and taking ridiculous risks, meanwhile blowing up some accounts too, but not daring to be fully transparent. There's a lot of danger, not just with penny stocks, but everywhere in finance. chance. So you have to be very careful. That's why I'm so proud of this tool. Click the link just below. I'm giving you a very nice offer to entice you to actually use it, because guess what? The way to making a lot of money is using good data, good information, and good strategies. And that's what I'm here for. It's in my own best interest to create the most successful students possible, okay? It does me no good if you lose money or if you lose all your money and you're like, yo, screw Tim Sykes. I want you to succeed. Trust me, please follow my directions to a T, and that will give you better odds of success. Enjoy. Hey, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that they help you. I want to share everything that I've learned over the years. You can check out more videos right over there. And also click subscribe so that you can watch all of these videos, get that knowledge, and become my next millionaire student.